Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Selling. Today I will share with you about a new brilliant project named as Worldland. I will share all its detail in this video. So stay tuned and watch full video. If you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Crypto Selling. Press the bell icon so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So without wasting your time, I will start review of this brilliant project on that platform. People will come from the five ocean and six continent and came and participate in their productive economy. So I will share all the detail, and it is a global digital land called as Wordland. I will share it detail. First of all, you have to connect it with your wallet. So you have to touch on connect. You can see here is the option for the MetaMask. I already installed the MetaMask, so I will just connect it here. You can see it is connecting. You have to approve it, and after that you can see it will connect it with the you can see RBM1, which is given here. You can see it is now connected on the above. As you can see, it is shown connected here, and my address is connected here. You can see let us build a global digital land called Wordland. You can see it here. So this team is so hard working. They are working hard to collect all the members on it, and it is global digital land. And we the people of the world land, their aim is to establish a global free trade digital land. So they are working hard to establish a global free trade digital land. So this will be a platform on which people from the five ocean and six continents can came, and basically they participate in one productive economy. And you can see it here. There is the option for learn. They have the documents, they have about them and white paper. I will share all these in this video, so stay tuned and watch full video. You can see it here. They have 9.8 second average block time per day, and they have block number which is given here. You can see it here, which is given here. You can get it here, and they have the total wallet connect, which is 3201. I already connect my wallet here. You can also work it. You can see this is the estimated number of mining nodes is given based on difficulty. You can see they have different nodes with a date and time. All data is given. They have the active node wallets. That active node counts are given that they are going for at that time. You can see their graphs here. They have the core features. Now these are the features which differentiate this platform from the others, as it have EVM compatibility. So you can see word land is fully compatible with the EVM, allowing all the apps and smart contracts on EVM to operate. Experience your Ethereum D app in a new way on Wordland. You can experience it here, and it have EVM compatibility, which is the best point, which is the unique feature of this project. They have PQ security and Wordland's ECCPOW. Basically they have the consensus algorithm, utilize coding theory to ensure the robust security against attacks from the quantum computers. So it is safe and secure, as it has PQ security here, and your wallets, your data is not going anywhere. It is safe and secure. Energy efficiency, they have green things, like it is working on technology which is green VCA. You can see Wordland green VCA technology significantly reduce energy consumption in the mining process by randomly selecting miners. You can see they have decentralized, and the exciting basically it is exciting for us that it is decentralized too. It is also the energy efficiency. All the basically features are given in it, and the existing proof of work means POW system faces issues of centralized due to ASIC devices. However, Wordland network based on ECCPOW means proof of work reduces the efficiency, and it is basically defending the blockchain from centralized devices. So you can see it is all the details which is given here. So now I will further share with you the person who basically working hard on it, and it is the Professor Hong No Lee. You can see it here. It is a professor of GIST, which is basically Institute of Science and Technology. You can see it here, and you can see it is in the Republic of Korea. Their details are given. This person is giving, this professor is giving his all the best to working on this project named as Wordland. This professor is doing very much work on it. You can see they have the Discord too. You can see this, you can join their Discord, and you can see Wordland Medium is given. You can join their community by joining them on the Discord, and also on the Medium they have the articles of land, articles of improvement, proposal, WIP. They have different Korean land and all the other basically articles are given. You can see it here. So further, they have the YouTube, and they are working on the YouTube. You can watch their videos, and Bitcoin halving seminar series they have given here, which is all details is given. You can go and watch videos on it. You can also join them on the Twitter. There is, you can see they have given, they have 782 followers here. You must go and join them, so that if they get maximum news, and you will be able to be a part of that. They will share their news on Twitter, Telegram, and also on Discord. So if you are able to be a part of this community, you can get to know about it, that they have given the news that they are attending consensus, which is Liber Vents into the Worldland. You can see it here, they already shared that, and after that they are doing so. You can get to know more about it. So further, if I go for a Wordland doc, you can see it here, which is given here. Document: Wordland is an L2 or side chain of Ethereum designed as a bottom up basically solution to enhance the Ethereum ecosystem, recognizing that blockchain. And it can be given here. You can see their users, their wallets, which is given here. MetaMask is a universal cryptocurrency wallet compatible with Ethereum based chain, so you can use that. They have different networks here, which you can see. They have network name, RPC URL. Their basically mainnet is given. You can see they have chain ID, which is given 103, and they have currency symbol WLC, and which is Wordland. So explore, you can hear the URL. So if I go for the get WLC, you can see this is the Wordland test network. You can see you can easily be able to connect it with your wallet, send me, and you can see transfer token. You can transfer WLC on Wordland network using your wallet. You can easily be able to select the basically network like Wordland, and after that you can easily be able to connect it with your MetaMask. It is shown here, and you can send and you can see all the details which is given here. You can see it here. You can send it to the other person in that way. And they have the block explorer too. You can see that it is the scan is given. I will share that video too. I will share this scan in this video too. As you can see it here, is the further Wordland scan Wordland Foundation. I will give this link in my video description too. Average block time is now 10.2 second. Total transaction, their word, all details transactions are given here. You can see their transaction further here. So now I will just go back basically on their details which I was sharing. They have instant node, they have basically run node, start mining. You can check your balance here, and you can see check mine block in Explorer. So they have also on the GitHub, and you can see Wordland, their details is given. It is safe and secure. You can work on it. It is public, and they have basically Liber Vents. You can see, as I shared that on the tweet too, that they are going to work with it. You can also join them on the basically Telegram and their community on it. It is a very good project. I will recommend you to must go. It is AI quantum safe mining. You can do mining and you can make money on it, and in the future you will get maximum. They have 87 pages of white paper. You can read their abstract, their acknowledgement, keywords, listing, all the things are given. They have scalability, they have energy efficiency here. You can see technology, 4 major components of world blockchain, which is given here. You can read that, and which is VCT, a verifiable coin toss, and VC, which is verifiable computation, and DS, digital signature, VRF, verifiable random function. So it is a good project. You can go through from all these details which is given here in their white paper, and you can get to know about them more. So I already share with you there is their Wordland DAO, on which you can be able to vote, and for that you have to connect it with your wallet like MetaMask and any other wallet. So you can do that from here. And so there is the next one is their Wordland scan, which I share with you. They have the GitHub here again, so you can also see their price at CoinGecko. You can see it is going up 10%, 0.0538. Their dollar price is given, it is going up. So you can see their graph, which is going up and up. You can see it here. So must go and invest in this project, buy their basically coins, tokens, so that you can easily be able to sell it when their price will goes up. And it is a very good project. I share all their detail in this video, so stay tuned and watch full video. If you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.